wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, we are from Group 4 and the member is
Duhan Cika Ramadhanu,
Feby Alisa Putri,
Gracia Kumadevi,
and me, Galuh Ardani. In this area, we will do a promotional video for Free the Book Fort as a final exam assignment English. Free the Book Fort is a Dutch heritage fort which is located in the center of Yogyakarta city, precisely across from Gedung Agung, Margomulya Street number 6, Gondomanan, Yogyakarta. To enter the fort, you can buy an entrance ticket for 3,000 rupiah for one person, and then you can go around the fort as much as you like. So, this fort is a relic of the Netherlands which has now been used of cultural heritage of Yogyakarta province and has become a historical educational tourism area for tourists. It is hoped that tourists who visit this fort can form a sense of the nationalism towards the Indonesian state. Fort Free Museum is a museum found and managed by the government under the Ministry of Education and Culture. To add insight to all of you regarding the history of the struggle of the Indonesian nation, Fort Freedom Museum has a diverse collection such as document artifacts, historical photos, and historical objects. So let's go to Freedom Fort.
Frederiksborg Fort Museum is also located in the Zero Point area in the city center, so that tourists can easily reach this museum.
In front of the museum, there is a playground from children. Historical diorama collection in three-dimensional visualization of events in the national struggle, with illustration some historical figures. Totally, museum has 55 diorama placed in 5 rooms and present in chronologically, namely the Diorama 1 exhibition room to the 4th diorama exhibition room.
The entire space, the Frederiksborg Fort Museum has 7,513 realia and replica collection.
Realia collection is the real material and had a role directly in the historical.
Replica collection is the imitation material that their matter, size, and shape are the same with the real material. There is also a game room museum. This room is equipped with interactive game oriented to the museum's vision and mission.
Inside the museum, there is also a large garden that can be used by tourists to rest, take a photo, or play for children.
Here, tourists can walk around the museum room, where each diorama has different collection. Diorama 1, which consists of 11 dioramas depicting historical events from the period of the Diponegoro War to the Japanese occupation from 1825 until 1942. Diorama 2 consists of 19 dioramas depicting historical events from the beginning of Indonesian independence to the Dutch military aggression 1, 1945 until 1947. Diorama 3, which contains 18 dioramas depicting historical events of the Renville Agreement, recognition of free sovereignty 1948 until 1949. Diorama 4 contains 7 dioramas that describe the history of the period of the United States of the Republic of Indonesia until the New Order period 1950 until 1974. Tourists can also see ancient items such as typewriters, clothes in the colonial period, and the history of money. Besides that, tourists can also see videography about the colonial period.
Tips and tricks to visit the Frederiksborg Museum. 1. Prepare your body and supplies. Because the intention is to go for a walk and considering the location of the Fort Frederiksborg Museum, which is quite large, wearing comfortable clothes and footwear is a must. Don't get the wrong costume by wearing high heels to scratch your feet. Also, clothes that make you hot or impolite, so that they become the center of attention of many people. 2. Pack in order, step foot into diorama room 1 and so on in the order, because the story that is presented later will be continuous. All instructions are clearly stated, we just have to read it carefully. Each room has a specific theme. 3. Obey the rules. There are several rules that are listed on collectibles or rooms on site. Obey the rules for the common good and preservation of the collectibles. For example, for the rule not to touch object on display. 4. Explore location. Not only the diorama room is in the Fredericburg Museum. For example, at the back, you will find a gunpowder warehouse, or you can climb the stairs to the bastion in the four corners of the museum. 5. Take advantage of the facilities. Take advantage of some interactive media that can be used as a fun introduction to museums, especially for school-age children. 6. Keep your attitude and behavior so that the beauty and cleanliness of the Fredericburg Museum can continue to be good. Keep the area clean. Dispose of garbage in the place and maintain and care for exciting facilities. And the last, capture photo memories. You don't have to bring a tight camera, just capture a visit the Fredericburg Museum with a cell phone camera. Many collectible objects or interesting corners that are Instagrammable. Review based on tourists visiting the Fredericburg provides very interesting and complete information. Neat and clean and tidy, the relics of the colonial era are also still well maintained.
And first, every visitor is required to wear a mask and wash hand and check body temperature by officer before entering the museum. The next are not allowed to hold event, both internal to the museum or outside the museum, which bring crowd of people. Next, must maintain a minimum distance of 1.5 meter while in the museum environment. Purchase a ticket to enter the museum by use a barrier between officer and visitor. Entrance to the museum is arranged alternately according to the capacity of the exhibition hall. Visitors must be in good health. Visitors are not allowed to touch or hold the collection. The maximum visiting time at the Fredericburg Museum is 60 minutes. Visitors are required to fill in the guidebook provided. Visitors are required to dispose of garbage in its place. Independent visitors are prohibited from smoking in any place because a special area for smoke has been provided for smoking. Visitors are obligated not to shake hands with other tourists. Visitors are required to keep the toilet clean by flushing it clean.
The Fort Fredericburg Yogyakarta Museum is highly recommended to visit because the place is very spacious and strategic. The service is quite good, the collection is quite complete and also still be maintained. And the toilet available are also well maintained at the prayer room itself. It's also well maintained. Besides that, tourists can also enjoy the dish available in the museum canteen if tourists feel hungry.